sections, that is we will do with the help of mapping, and you have to remember also, यहाँ पे आप लोगों को थोड़ा याद रखना भी होगा. I said धीरे धीरे आप लोगों को the whole districts of the India याद करा दिया जाएगा कि कहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. You can be able to understand over the period, and it will not help you in geography, it will help you in GS, current affairs, history, at so many places. I said today I am going to start with the industry, and after understanding this industry we can be able to understand what is the industrial policy that India has earlier adopted and now it is adopting, and how do the different kind of industrial, different kind of economic zone, special economic zone, and in the different planning year how it has been happened, what is the disinvestment plan and how it is going to work, and why we are not able to grow, our industrialization has not been taken place earlier, and why in India the Jharkhand, Odisha, and I said that Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Vidarbha region, the industrialization has been taken place in the form of heavy industry, especially iron and steel industry. And then the iron and steel industry is a heavy industry, where the heavy industry means where the raw material is very heavy, large amount of raw material is required. And again in the cotton textile industry, it is also known as a heavy industry, large amount of heavy weight, I said that raw materials are utilized. But cotton textile के लिए आप छोटा सा भी खोल सकते हो. Yes or not? You can open your smaller. So it is also known as a cotton textile industry, also light industry. So cotton textile is both kind of. But iron and steel industry, it is one of the heavy industry, but it is also basic industry. Because with the help of this industry, other industries are growing. Steel is required for making any other equipments, any other machines and everything. So the most important I said iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry is highly located in our India. It is that it is in West Bengal, this region. Jharkhand, that is that Bokaro, then here it is in Jamshedpur, Raurkela, Kalinganagar, Raurkela in Odisha, Kalinganagar. That is in Gopalpur, in the Durg Bhilai district, in the Durg district Bhilai. Then we have Vishakhapatnam, Hyderabad. Then we have Bhadravati, Vishwasharaya, Vijayanagar steel plant, Salem steel plant, and Dolvi steel plant. These are situated along this region. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Granitic rocks, and granitic rocks are the result of minerals. Understood it? Yes. After that, we have to also see that this is the reason आप लोग कल आप लोगों का जो आज हम लोगों ने weathering erosion को लेके finish किया. After understanding this one, you can understand the another factors controlling the landform development. कल हम लोग उसको भी finish कर देंगे. Thereafter we will go for plate tectonic and all these concepts. Then you can understand so many things with the help of those understanding. I said that 200 million years ago, that the whole world was like a Pangea, whole world or continental drift. Theory bhi rahega. Whole world was like I said that whole continental mass on the earth's surface, like I said that if I am talking about this whole continental land mass were together at one place. It is known as a pan, means all. You must have heard about pan Islamic movement, pan India movement, means all India movement. Similarly, the Pangea, the world whole land mass are together, and it is surrounded by pan thalassa. Surrounded by pan means all water body, thalassa means water body, surrounded by the water body. And earlier we have a 29% land mass, and then 71% we have a water body. And this Pangea started, breaking up. That is a drift. और उसी समय some drift has been also taken place in this region. और ड्रिफ्ट की वजह से देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ रिफ्ट वैलीज हैव बीन फॉर्म, एंड इन दिस रिफ्ट वैली vegetation has been buried and they have been converted into coal deposits. They have been converted into, so this is the reason I is also having a coal deposits. मैं केवल एक एग्जांपल लेकर समझाऊंगा आयरन स्टील इंडस्ट्री का, जिससे आपको समझ में आ जाए कि what are the things that you have to understand for understanding this iron and steel industry. Understood? And some question I have given also. आपको लेकिन आंसर बहुत बड़ा दिया गया है, लेकिन आपको जितना आप ज्यादा जानेंगे, एज मच इफ यू नो इन लार्ज अमाउंट यू कैन बी एबल टू कन्वर्ट इनटू इन स्मॉलर. इफ आई से I said that 1 kg iron ore and 1 kg coal, दोनों के लिए both having the same transportation cost or both will have a different transportation cost? थोड़ा सोच के बोलो. आपके हाथ में 1 kg कुछ भी दे दिया जाए, वेट कितना होगा? 1 kg ही होगा. Yes or not? So transportation cost for carrying 1 kg coal or 1 kg iron, both will have the same transportation cost. Yes. Another point, if I say that, this is, I said that Bokaro in Jharkhand, and just nearby यहाँ पर क्या है आपका other coal field है झरिया. Just nearby this झरिया, Dhanbad and all coal field, and around 300 to 350 kilometer it is away. That is in the Jharkhand. There is a Kiribau and Nuamundi. वेस्ट सिंहभूम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ये आयरन ओर है. I said, what is the use of for making an iron and steel industry के लिए सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट ओर होता है वो आयरन. What is the most important raw material is iron ore, and around 2 kg iron ore gives 1 kg steel. Clear? 2 kg gives 1 kg, and producing 1 kg को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए कोल मुझे चाहिए अराउंड 100 kg टू प्रोड्यूस 1 kg, क्योंकि इट विल प्रोवाइड अस एनर्जी हीट. तो सबसे ज्यादा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन मुझे किसको करना है? यस टेल मी. कोल हैज टू बी ट्रांसपोर्टेड. तो I should be near to the coal or I should be near to the iron ore. Yes, tell me. Near to the coal, because for producing iron ore, iron steel industry, I should be more closer to coal because we demand more energy. Yes or no? We have a more demand of what? Coal. Understood it? तो हमें किधर रहना है समझ में आ चुका. And if at one place both are there, then it's a very good. लेकिन कहीं कहीं पर क्या हो सकता है? Suppose you have to install, आपकी इंडस्ट्री यहाँ इंस्टॉल करनी है, because this is a demand. This is a what? Demand. तो हो सकता है it can be away from the coal also, but generally we should install our industry, iron and steel industry, near to the coal, because the coal is more, it is required more for the production of steel in comparison to iron. Understood? तो कोल का क्या किसमें डिमांड होता है? कोल इज यूटिलाइज्ड इन व्हाट इज एन थर्मल पावर प्लांट प्रोड्यूसिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. दैट इज आई सेड दैट एनर्जी. लिखते चलेंगे, ये आपके बुक्स में नेटर में नहीं होगा. आयरन स्टील इंडस्ट्री के लिए क्या चाहिए मुझे? यस टेल मी. यस टेल मी. आयरन ओर इज द फर्स्ट. Getting my point? Second, I need coal. आज जिनको भी क्लास कहीं जाना है थोड़ा सा लेट जाना, क्योंकि आज उसके बाद आप वहाँ जाना होगा तो लेट से चले जाना कल से। लेकिन आज थोड़ा सा ट्राई करना इसको अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए। हाँ, वहाँ सीट नहीं मिलती है, फिर तो आपका पूरा